Nature has hidden many majestic wonders from us. Up till now we have discovered a few sides of nature. Let's see a few of them. Top of the list is Vadhu Islands. Vadhu is one of the inhabited islands of Ra Atoll, Maldives, famous for the bioluminescence plankton. The spectacular sea of stars can be experienced in this island yearly. This marine bioluminescence is generated by phytoplankton known as dinoflagellates. The island is 194.46 kilometers north of the country's capital, Male. Total population of the island was more than 500 in 2007. Coming up next is Ponger Waterfall. Ponger Waterfall, well known as Seven Floor Fall or the first waterfall of the south, is an attractive tourist site of Duc Trong. The waterfall is located at a deserted area, 40 kilometers from Dalat. Up next is Cano Cristales. Cano Cristales is a Colombian river located in the Serranía de la Macarena, an isolated mountain range in the Meta department. It is a tributary of the Guayabero River, itself a part of the Orinoco Basin. The river is commonly called the River of Five Colors or the Liquid Rainbow, and is noted for its striking colors. The bed of the river from the end of July through November is variously colored yellow, green, blue, black, and especially red, the last caused by Rhyncholassus clavigera plants on the riverbed. Coming up next is Waitomo Glowworm Caves. The Waitomo Glowworm Caves attraction is a cave at Waitomo on the North Island of New Zealand. It is known for its population of Arachnocampa luminosa, a glowworm species found exclusively in New Zealand. This cave is part of the Waitomo Streamway system that includes the Ruakuri Cave, Lucky Strike, and Tumutumu Cave. Geological and volcanic activity has created around 300 known limestone caves in the Waitomo region over the last 30 million years. Next on the list is Horsetail Fall. Horsetail Fall, located in Yosemite National Park in California, is a seasonal waterfall that flows in the winter and early spring. The fall occurs on the east side of El Capitan. If Horsetail Fall is flowing in February and the weather conditions are just right, the setting sun illuminates the waterfall, making it glow orange and red. This natural phenomenon is often referred to as the Firefall, a name that pays homage to Yosemite Firefall, the man-made event that once took place in Yosemite. The waterfall is fed by rain or snowmelt. It descends in two streams side by side, the eastern one being the larger but both quite small. Last on the list is Ayegashima Volcano. Ayegashima is a volcanic island to the south of Japan in northernmost Micronesia. It is the southernmost and most isolated inhabited island of the Isis, which are politically and administratively part of Japan but geographically not part of the Japanese archipelago. The islands border the northeast Philippine Sea and lie immediately north of the Bonin Islands, which are also governed by Japan. The island is approximately 358 kilometers south of Tokyo. The island is surrounded by very steep rugged cliffs of layered volcanic deposits. Still considered a Class C active volcano by the Japan Meteorological Agency. The last eruption of Ayegashima was during a 4-year period from 1781 to 1785. It is located along the Izu, Bonin, Mariana Arc. That's all for today. See you in another video.